By the end of the video, I'm going to go over the practical steps you need to take in order to delete any negative, inaccurate item off of your credit report. So I put out a video a couple days ago, 2 days ago actually, and we were at 66 members. So we're at 74 members. So everybody, you know what I'm saying, clap, you know what I'm saying? But someone asked me a very good question. And they were basically saying, why should I pay for Cat Credit University when I could just watch you on YouTube for free? As you can see, it was like less than 30 minutes ago. I already put the post up. I just understand success loves speed, so we're gonna go over it, right? I just want to let y'all know when you get into Cat Credit University, essentially what you're getting versus just watching me on YouTube, because that's a very relevant question to ask, you know. So I was letting my community know I got the question. I thought it was a really good question, and I wanted to address it real quick. Before we even address everything that's in here, as far as like the title of the video and everything, you know, just so y'all not saying, oh, clickbait and all that. The short answer is if you want to delete any negative item, inaccurate item, join Cat Credit University because you're going to be in a community of like minded individuals. You're going to be in a community of accountability where you have the resources that's going to back you versus you're just by yourself watching on YouTube, right? And the dope thing too is that you can literally make money by being in a community because when you invite people, you get 50% referral commission, you know. So as your people that you're referring, they pay, you're getting $14 a month per person. So just keep that in mind. There's money potential as well. I didn't say that on the post, but yeah. So simply stated, those of y'all that are watching me on YouTube right now that are not in Cat Credit University, you're getting information, right? You're definitely getting information. We got over 3,000 videos. If you have the time and energy to watch over 3,000 videos, you know, be more than my guest of doing that. You know, but the thing is, and the reality is, Cat Credit University gives you transformation. There's a difference. Information is just consume, consume, consume. Nobody's holding you accountable. Transformation, you're being held accountable, right? So you got to realize too, if you watch my YouTube, right, and you're in Cat Credit University, you're going to see some overlap with what's in the classroom material just because with cohesively creating everything, the university, the structure, when we created it, I believe it was last June, we put a lot of thought into it in terms of logically, how can we be where you guys are at before you even think about, okay, what's the next step? Okay, number one, somebody's going to have a question of how do I pull my credit reports? How do I read a credit report? You know, stuff like that. So we're already thinking ahead before y'all even get to where you have a question. The way we created Cat Credit University, there was a lot of thought that went into it, you know. So when you get in here, you'll see that. And you can get a 7-day free trial at the time I'm recording this. So maybe that's why we have 74 members now versus 66 2 days ago when I posted the video. But, you know, be my guest. Go start a free trial. I know that the value is there. If you don't see the value, then don't pay after the free trial is done. But like I'm saying, you'll see overlap when you're in the university. It just made sense to reference certain videos after we spent a lot of time crafting up the blueprint, the curriculum. So we got a long stuff here we're gonna break down. So with Cat Credit University, you're paying for an environment of accountability. I always say change your environment. If you're watching me for free on YouTube, if you just started watching me, if you've been watching me for years, it don't matter, whatever the case may be. If you're just on YouTube, you're just in a free location. I'm Y'all got to understand. I'm running a business if you didn't know. If you don't know anything about my story, I don't work a 9 to 5. My business is my 9 to 5. I understand business. I understand that you hold back on certain information so that it gets people to the next information. You go to the next step and the next step and the next step, right? If you're just on free, you might find yourself in a circle of just information, 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 but you're wondering why you didn't get nowhere. You're supposed to pay for the information, right? You're supposed to pay to get into Cat Credit University, so that guides you into the next thing. Okay, I get into Cat Credit University. Cool, cool, cool. I get the funding course. Cool, cool, cool. I graduate and let me work with Michael privately so I can continue to scale, right? So everything is intentional, you know? So when you're just in an environment of just free YouTube, you're kind of limiting yourself. I know it might seem counterintuitive with over 3,000 videos, but I'm literally the one that created a blueprint for all these videos, right? So I'm the person to ask if it makes sense to join Cat Credit University or not join. And If you want transformation, it makes sense to join. If you just want information, you don't necessarily have to join. That's just my honest truth about it. So accountability with other like-minded individuals. $29 is not life-changing money to spend or invest, to be honest. But I gotta be real. The people in Cat Credit University, they're at least a level above the people that's just watching free, 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 free. A free person is a free person is a free person. A paid customer is a paid customer is a paid customer, right? It's business. So environment is key. You're also paying for an exclusive community of other potential people you probably would never have met if you weren't in the group, right? I've literally connected people, not even just in Cat Credit University, but my higher tier mentorships, right? I've literally connected people together, right? It's not uncommon for me to have a conversation with someone at Cat Credit University, and I'm like, okay, you kind of seem like you would vibe with this person over here, and then they become accountability partners, and maybe they make money together, right? I'm not getting no money out of what they're making as a unit, so I say that to say, like, if you're somebody that's been just like poor or cheap your whole life, like you're just stingy with your money. I'm not saying come to Cat Credit University because if that's in your DNA, we don't even want you. Anyways, it's more of like, okay, when you see it, let me just hop in. But if you're someone that's cheap, stingy, and all that, I'm not saying come into Cat Credit University, but I encourage you to invest in someone's community. I don't want no cheap, stingy people in my university personally. All right, so you're paying for organization with a logical, cohesive structure of videos from the mind, the brain of someone who's been doing this shit since 2021. And I know what's the most relevant stuff, right? Like I've been in business for all these years, so I know what it is. And then, like I said, YouTube has over 3,000 videos, and that's just like scattered. You feel me? And then one big thing, those of y'all that are watching here on YouTube, obviously you don't get direct access to me unless you're one of my students or you're in Cat Credit University. So to be transparent, I have a sales rep that answers some stuff sometimes, but I'm very active in the community. For anyone that's in the community, they can attest to that. And I don't really reply to YouTube comments. It's mostly my team that's replying to them. So just keep that in mind if you want that direct access. If you've just been watching me, you're just like, okay, I actually want to get around him. I like the way he articulates in his videos. I like the way he breaks shit down. Let me get around him. Let me get in the university. That's something you can do. And the beautiful thing, it's we're under 100 members at this point. So it's not at the point where it's just like all these millions of people in there and then you can't even get no access to me, right? So it's like it's like Bitcoin before Bitcoin was Bitcoin now. So, you know what I'm saying? It's like finding Bitcoin early. So just keep that in mind. You're also getting template letters for every scenario you'll come across, as well as just additional resources in the classroom. I think I went over it in the last video, so I don't necessarily have to show it in this video. If you want to see that, go on the video I posted last time. And then you're paying for the business savvy of being able to launch and grow a credit repair business with practical business advice that'll help you grow. Again, I left my chemical engineering 9 to 5 off of this shit, right? So I know a little thing or two how to run a credit repair funding business. I know about the marketing sales. I know a thing or two, and I spoke about it, broke it down in Cat Credit University. This is all only for $29, which is crazy. And then there's an exclusive course in there, funding course. So you have an opportunity to invest in the exclusive business funding course in a classroom that's exclusively there. And it's only 497, which is crazy. It's $2,000 to the public if you do find that link. I don't promote it publicly. It's more so for people in the university, but yeah. And then accountability calls every month. I don't know if I went over that. But if you just want to learn, I would say just stay on YouTube. But if you actually want to earn money, you want to grow, you want to get feedback directly from me, then you're in the right place when you choose to join Cat Credit University. So yeah, just wanted to drop this video real quick. Hopefully this is hopefully this is good for y'all. And oh, we're at 73 now. I look like somebody just churned. But hopefully this video was helpful for y'all. With that being said, if y'all want to join, come join. If y'all don't want to join, then, just keep watching the YouTube videos. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.